Welcome back to the 3-Hour News Show and welcome to our signature segment, See the Stories. Now today we will talk about Down syndrome. Now this particular genetic condition occurs when an individual has an extra partial or whole copy of chromosome 21. Now the cause of Down syndrome is not yet known, but it has always been part of the human condition.
Down syndrome commonly results in variable effects on learning styles, physical characteristics, and health.
So data from the WHO, or World Health Organization, estimates that 3,000 to 5,000 babies are born with Down syndrome annually.
And in Indonesia, based on the basic health research by the Ministry of Health in 2010, cases of Down syndrome in children aged 24 to 59 months reached 0.12%, which went up to 0.13% in 2013. In 2018, the cases rose again to 0.21%.
And as a way to raise public awareness in regards to Down syndrome, the United Nations General Assembly, or UNGA, declared March the 21st every year as World Down Syndrome Day. Now, when we talk about children with Down syndrome, we cannot forget the role of their parents. And the journey of parenting a child with Down syndrome is a story of love, resilience, as well as community.
Right, and joining us, an incredible parent who have come together to form a support group for parents with Down syndrome children, or in Indonesia, Persatuan Orang Tua Anak dengan Down syndrome. Now let's say hello to Ibu Elisa Octavianti Rogi. Ibu, thank you very much for coming.
Welcome to the show.
Welcome
Thank
to the
you.
show.
Here.
I am glad to be here to
Yes.
share our experiences about accompany children with Down syndrome.
Okay, let's first talk about Persatuan Anak Tua dengan Anak dengan Down syndrome.
Yeah.
How did this organization get started? When did it start? And why do you feel this community needed to be formed?
Yeah, POTAS, Association of Parents of Children with Down syndrome. It is a foundation that non-profit foundation was founded by 3 amazing mothers who have children with Down syndrome on 28th of July 2003.
Wow, this is like 21 years.
Based in Jakarta, and now we have a branch in 2 provinces in Indonesia, and our members, more than 3,000 parents, join with POTAS. The inspiration behind come from the need of information about Down syndrome. And some parents confuse how to raise a child with Down syndrome, and maybe a desire to get a support system group for parents with Down syndrome.
So basically those obviously that are new to the journey with newborns, they have so many questions. So this community is more to share information from those that have already gone through this process as well.
Yes, exactly. POTAS provides the latest information about Down syndrome, and we organize some activities for children with Down syndrome, and our program is focused on educate parents, and we connect parents. We provide a support system group so they can connect, they can share, and each support each other.
Okay.
Very good. So Ibu, now when you were starting out, what was the biggest needs that you saw with the parents who have these children with Down syndrome? Did you happen to address it right away, or it came with time when you have more people joining in and you have more information? Can you tell us a little bit more on that?
Actually, I would clarify that I am the chairperson of POTAS, but I'm not the founder.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. I think the biggest need is, we need reliable and accurate information about Down syndrome. Yeah. So parents confused. Yeah. They didn't expect how to raise a child with Down syndrome, and they need a community to share their journey. So POTAS provides information and guidance, and support group, so they can support each other. They feel connected and they feel supported.
What are some of the first questions that a parent of a child with Down syndrome usually have? What are some of the most common questions early questions that people usually come up with?
Early, okay. Sometimes they maybe they first they feel sad.
Okay.
They feel
So it's more
stressed.
emotional.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. They feel down, and sometimes they are in disbelief. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
denial. Correct.
So maybe is it a bright future for our children? Can they live normally like us?
Okay.
Right.
So these are the common questions that most parents have in the very beginning, like
Yeah.
what's the future going to be like for them
Yeah.
and the process throughout. Earlier, we mentioned a little interesting fact where in
Right.
Indonesia, cases of Down syndrome in children aged 24 to 59 months. So
Yes.
does this mean that some babies are born, the parents don't realize yet that they have Down syndrome? How does it? Because I know that earlier we
That's a
spoke
good
of a
question, yes.
prenatal test that you can
Yeah.
take these days,
Yeah.
but not everyone does it. When we had 3 kids, I didn't do any of the prenatal tests.
Right.
We just thought we'll handle whatever happens when the baby is born. So are there cases of babies being born and the parents don't know yet that they have Down syndrome until later on?
Yeah, most of them know when the baby is born.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right,
because in
okay.
Indonesia there is not common an
Okay.
IPT or prenatal test.
Yes.
So when the children are born, yeah, they are already know just now.
How is it identified during birth? Is it through a physical
something you can
feature?
tell, right?
How is it?
Yeah. Down syndrome, their face is very special.
Yeah, there's a unique
special
characteristic.
characteristic,
Correct.
and everybody can know for the first sight. Yeah, especially the doctor.
Okay. Oh, the doctor is
The
able
doctors
to.
can tell. Okay. Now, Ibu, can you? How do you ensure then the safety and then concerns of all members of Potas?
Yeah, we believe when we want to work with individual with Down syndrome or for them, we should give our heart. Yeah, we should
Okay.
show our empathy and kindness. So this is the key to make them comfortable, and we treat them equally, and there is no discrimination. And we realize that they are human who have feelings, who have dreams, and who have potential.
Right.
Yeah.
Um,
And sorry,
ahead, go ahead.
we always remind parents, our volunteers, our staff to give them love and empathy.
When this organization obviously is very inclusive for those that are going through experiences with a family member with Down syndrome, but if we zoom out a little bit and look at the perspective of Indonesia as a whole, we have made a lot of progress in regards to public awareness. But where do you see us so far? Are we still in the stage where we need to make many improvements in regards to, for example, schooling for kids with Down syndrome? I know there are schools that are inclusive.
Yep.
I know there are special needs schools as well. Tell us a little bit about where do you think we are as a nation in regards to addressing the needs of kids with Down syndrome?
Yeah. When we start to establish Potats in 2003, maybe there is just a little attention from government,
Right.
from community to our children. But now we can see that there is some progress. Yeah.
Okay.
For example, there is so many company, so many a community or students come and visit Potats office, and they want to make collaboration with us.
Okay.
I think that is it's a progress for us. And now, and the government, we have relationship with some department. So I think they are made regulation to better for our Down syndrome child.
Yeah, and if you look ahead as well in the future as adults, I know in Canada, I'm not sure about the United States, I grew up in Canada, where they have hiring practices to hire those with special needs. And
Yes.
certain companies have this certain policy
Yes,
where
yes.
they're allowed to have a certain quota to hire
Exactly.
those with special needs as well, especially Down syndrome.
Yes, yes. Now, Ibu, we know that children with Down syndrome, they have some symptoms like maybe physical features, development delays, medical conditions too. Now, what can your organization do to help parents balance their needs? Because again, every child grows up differently with different achievement between one kid to the next. How do you help parents to kind of manage that?
Okay, in POTAS we have 14 groups of parents based on their age. So that's a group they can use that group for share information.
Okay.
Maybe if there is new parents join with POTAS,
Right.
they give some questions about their child, and the other parents will share their experiences, how to handle this disease. You want know comorbid like heart disease or hypothyroid conditions. So it helps gitu because the other parents share their based on their experiences,
Right,
and it
right.
works. Yeah, it make their feeling maybe with calm and still okay.
I think one of the best things about community is when you're going through a certain condition or your family member's going through a condition, you feel isolation. And I think part of the community is to help a person not feel isolated
True.
or a certain family,
Right.
so that feels like, oh, there's other people that have gone through this as well, and look how well that they're doing. They're able to
Yes, yes.
flourish. So I want to address some of the misconceptions about Down syndrome. There are many of them out there. For example, one of them you mentioned earlier, will a child with Down syndrome be able to have, quote unquote, I don't like to use the word normal, but a future like other people, whereas they're able to work, go to school, work in the future as well? What are some of the common misconceptions that your group has to basically address most of the time?
Okay, the biggest misconceptions about Down syndrome is people assume that they cannot be independent,
Okay.
they cannot learn, they cannot work, yeah. And maybe they have no bright future. Gitu,
Right.
ya. And it's not true, yeah, because children with Down syndrome are born with bring potential and unique abilities. If these are developed, they can become the individual with various ability, yeah. And with the right support and opportunities, they can work, they can learn, they can, become whatever they want. Gitu.
Right, right.
Yeah. Some of individuals with Down syndrome have graduated at college. Yeah.
Okay.
And others, they can become dancers, models, graphic designer,
Right.
and barista also. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, yesterday we just celebrate our 1 year collaboration POTAS with Kopi Kamu. Kopi Kamu is a coffee shop that provides a job for individual with Down syndrome as a barista, and POTAS placed 7 barista with Down syndrome to work there.
I've read this
And-
story, by the way.
Yeah, it has running for 1 year, and they can prove that they can perform well.
Just like everyone else.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
And I
saw
think
that
it's
one
important,
too.
that's what I mentioned earlier about some Western countries have already implemented this
Yeah,
in their
yeah.
large companies where there's actually a quota. Like, hey, let's work together with certain organizations and
Yes.
hire those with either Down syndrome or other special needs.
Right, right,
but
right.
this also helps them integrate into society in a
Yeah,
great way and helps
yeah.
people understand them more as well.
Mm-hmm.
And it also helps with empathy, especially throughout the schooling system.
Exactly. So, Ibu, I still have this. I'm still trying to imagine how would you guys get together to maybe form, because this is an organization. So, is it kind of like a weekly meeting or a bi-weekly or monthly meeting? How would you guys get together?
It's a
and
lot
then-
of members.
Exactly. I'm very
Across the
sure.
country.
Just wondering.
Yeah, yeah. There is a regularly meeting, but we held in in some area gitu ya. You mean South Jakarta, POTAS, South Jakarta area,
Okay, I see,
POTAS East Jakarta area.
Oh, there's different
Yeah, yeah.
factions in different
The-
groups.
so the regular meeting had with them. Gitu.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But we we have 2 events in a year, World Down Syndrome Day and Down Syndrome Awareness Month in October. So in this event, all the parents who live in Jabodetabek join and come to these events.
Okay. And all the kids bringing as
Along
well,
with
not
the
just,
kids?
is it just the parents or the kids
Yeah,
get
with the
together?
kids,
Oh,
and
that's
in that
amazing.
event we show so many talents
Yeah.
from our children.
Okay. By the way, is this some of the things that you brought with you? Could you explain what you have brought
Can
with
you please tell us what it is?
Okay, this is art project, and this art project from our
This one.
art and craft class. Potats established a center of activities named Rumah Ceria Down Syndrome.
Okay.
Yeah. There are about 10 classes, like art and craft class, barista class, traditional dance class,
Right.
music, angklung,
Yes.
and this is the artwork of art and craft class.
I just realized now that I picked it up that these are pipe cleaners. They're so well done.
Yes,
These
yes,
are actually
you're right,
pipe cleaners that
you're
have been folded as the petals.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do that.
No, it's got
amazing.
some challenges
The
to it, right?
detail
Yeah.
and everything. This is beautiful.
Exactly.
So if you, I don't know if the camera can get a quick zoom on that. The bud inside is a twisted. There you go. There you go. I'll show it.
Yeah.
And these are actually all made of pipe cleaners and in
Right.
such intricate detail as well to make a beautiful mirror.
Exactly.
And a bouquet. What's that one?
And that,
This is a tools, for grieving stimulation.
I have one at
for
home
the children
for
with
my
Down
son.
syndrome.
Correct.
Yeah, especially in age under 6.
It's to help with the
years.
motor skills,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, fine motor
So you're
skills.
threading through the whole.
first time I see that.
It can improve hand and eye coordination.
Yes.
It
Okay.
can we can build concentration.
Yes.
Right, right.
Yeah, great stuff.
And it is a tools for for
Sensory.
introduction.
Sensory.
Sensory, yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah, different textures.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are all sensory tools that.
Yes,
I've done this
got
with
an
my
idea
son
on
as
that
well.
one too.
Love it.
Grass.
We use these tools when we organize, sensory class or physiotherapy class in our office.
Okay.
And these are made by children?
This is but it is no.
These are their tools.
Yeah.
These are just the tools
Yeah,
that are
this is
okay, all right.
by
Just
the
wondering.
children.
Lovely.
That
artwork,
one
by
is,
the way.
Yeah.
right? Yeah, okay. Very,
So-
very cool.
We're going to take a short break, but we
Yeah.
have more to discuss with you. So don't go anywhere. We're going to talk more about how we're going to empower, and this community continues to empower parents with children with Down syndrome. We'll be back with more here on See the Stories. Don't go anywhere.